Good morning. Welcome back to Deb's True Crime Notebook, where we read the documents for you so you don't have to. Well, it's been a while. We haven't had any action in this case, not any legal document action in a while, but we're back. We're back to read this to you. It's going to be short and sweet this morning. I hope you're having a wonderful week and you had a great Memorial Day weekend. I did. I had family over and we had a great time. So let's get right down to it. It looks like the appellate attorneys have filed an appearance for Stacy Uliani and a request for October 28th, 2022 transcripts. So let's see what that's about. State of Indiana, County of Carroll, State of Indiana versus Richard M. Allen, defendant. Appearance: 1. Name of defendant, Richard Allen. 2. Defense attorney, co-counsel information as applicable for service. Name: Stacy R. Uliani. It gives her address, P.O. Box 744, 5 North Baldwin Street, Bargersville, Indiana, 46106. Attorney number 20413-32. Phone 317-422-1686. Fax 317-732-1830. 3. Will defendant accept service by fax? The answer to that is no. And 4, additional information required by state of local rule, none. Respectfully submitted by Stacy Uliani. And that is an appearance from her requesting information. And she's saying she won't accept it by fax. So I don't know if that means in person or sent to her by computer. Your guess is as good as mine. The next document that we have this morning is the supplemental request for a transcript. And this is not the main transcript for the trial. Let's see what this has to say. State of Indiana versus Richard M. Allen, defendant. Supplemental request for transcript. The defendant, Richard Allen, by counsel and pursuant to Indiana Rule of Appellate Proclamation 9G, respectfully requests the court reporter to transcribe the following hearing. Initial hearing held on October 28, 2022. This hearing is to be included as part of the appeal from the convictions. Respectfully submitted by Stacy Uliani. So we are getting a little glimpse of what the appellate team is looking at. They're looking at that first hearing for Richard Allen. And if you remember, in that hearing, the defense is claiming that Richard Allen had an attorney of record, but the attorney was not notified of that hearing and that he wasn't represented during that hearing. I don't know what the timing is on that. I need to look back at notes, but I believe that what the prosecution has come back and said is that he had an attorney, but the attorney had declined the case. And so I guess we're going to have to wait for more information on this. Thank you so much for watching Deb's True Crime Notebook. Have a wonderful week. Come back and visit. And if you want to, you might look at the Richard Allen playlist and see if you can find that video from October 28th hearing 2022 and revisit that and see what was said there. I will try to make a point of looking for that video myself and attaching it to the comment section here on this. As always, hit that like, follow, and share button. And we'll see you soon on Deb's True Crime Notebook.